To measure distance with Google Map. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can measure the distance between one point to another. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, search for a specific location. Here I've kept one. Now here you can see the option called directions. Tap on directions. Again, here on the top, you'll be able to keep another point B location. I'm keeping another point B location. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, it has displayed the location and even the duration. So if you swipe up, there are even details that are available. Here as you can see, it's 47 minutes and the 17 km is showing down here. So this determines how much time it takes and the distance between the point A and B. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you.